Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss McGraw, third grade teacher at Highland Park. I wanted to get on and give you a little bit of information about how to access the Study Island materials that are online. You are first going to want to get onto Clever. You can do that by going to the Roanoke City homepage under Students, Web-Based, and then the Clever portal. Then you will log in there as you usually do. I've already done this for one of my students. I chose one of my students. So this is what his Clever page looks like. His two teachers, myself and Ms. Huff, both have created special pages, Clever pages with some links. Your teacher may have as well. But we're really going to focus here on Study Island. So I'm going to click on Study Island. And Clever is going to take me there. So you can see my student's name is right here. If you are logged in correctly, you should see your own name. We are going to focus going over on the left-hand side of the screen where it says My Classes. I'm going to click on that, and you will see your different teachers listed there. Now, Roanoke City Schools has created some assignments for you to do on Study Island. You're going to find them, at least on this page, down here on the lower right-hand side. And here for the student it says third at Highland. I would think that if you are in fourth grade, it would say fourth at Highland. You're going to click on View Assignments. And here you have a list of all of the assignments that were created. Now, the reading ones are very much like what you have in your packets. I have not looked very carefully at the packets, but that is my understanding. The lessons that you may access here on Study Island may not be in your packet, but the passages and questions are for the reading. Here, this word analysis, that's more of a practice. I'm just going to click here on the first one. I'm going to press Start. You're going to want to go here to this blue link, and it shows you the different things that you can do. So we're always going to start with the lesson. And here we have a lesson about academic language, which you can read. And it looks like it has a couple of practice questions. And notice here it says page 1 of 1. So once you have read through that, you are finished. So I'm going to click Finish. Now, I'm going to go back here so that I can get to the rest of the materials. This one has practice. And so I click on here, and there it says, which word helps the reader know the meaning of the word territory in the piece? So you would need to have read through this. I am going to choose area, and I'm going to submit. Oh, and I got the amazing, so I must be correct. If you get it incorrect, you will get an explanation, or you can click on explanation to find out why. So then I just click next question, and I keep going through until I've answered all of them. If you click on tools, you will see some different tools that you can play around with, some highlighters, looks like a sketch pad. I'm going to save the session because I did not answer all of the questions. I can continue it, or I can say done. Maybe I have something else I have to do. Looks like I need to continue these in order to go on to the next activity. So you may be going back and forth from this to the different activities that are there, clicking Finish when you are ready, or continue here. Now, so those are the lessons that were assigned by the district. Your teacher may be in touch with you that they gave you some other assignments. I created an assignment for my social studies class. It does not show up here, but I have to click on View Assignments. So I did, we learned about this already, a review of ancient Greece and Rome. And I've already been on here once, so I would press continue. And again, I have this title that I can click on. I can go to the lesson again. Notice here we have pages 1 of 4, so that means there are 4 pages as part of this lesson. And I'll go through that, and I had saved where I was answering questions, and then I can go answer some multiple choice questions. You can save your session and exit, and that's how you do Study Island. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit. Remember that your Highland Park teachers love and miss you very much. Thank you.